Guys, we got to talk about this. I'm not even going to hold you guys. Let's get straight into it. We got to talk about these guys. I can't say enough good things about these headphones, guys. They have been more than what I expected versus having the AirPods Pro 2s. I'm literally going to just talk about three particular things that stood out for me over the AirPods Pro 2, guys. And the first one is about the fit and comfort, guys. Like, I've worn these for an entire day. I've actually fell asleep in these. And no matter what I did, whether it was working out at the gym or watching the movie on my computer or while I was cooking, it doesn't matter. I would wear these for almost half of a day or even more, and I would not feel fatigue where my ears are concerned. There's no pain, there's nothing. They're so comfortable. Half of the time it feels like I'm not even wearing anything, guys. And I don't know if it has to do with the new type of tips that they have. These aren't the typical tips, because what happened is these has foam in there, so they feel a lot stiffer versus what you got with the tools. The tools, as you can see here, they're so much softer. And if I look at these right here, you can see how much stiffer they are. You know, and for me, I think that is actually the changer, or rather the game changer for me when it came on to the AirPods Pro 3. And not to mention, when being in the gym and you're sweating, these weren't falling out at all. They literally stayed and stuck into my ears. I think it has a lot to do with the actual design of the tips, because if you look at the actual design here, you will notice how this angles down a little bit more, and I think it's more designed with the inner cavities of your ear versus what we had with the twos. You can definitely see a major difference. You know what I'm saying? So for me, that was just a game changer for me. So let's move on to the next one, guys. And the next one is battery life, guys. I purposely, since I did my last video, it is almost 5 days now since I did that last video, and I purposely have not charged. In other words, what I mean by that is I haven't put the case on any form of charge since I did that video. Just to prove it to you guys, it's almost day number 5 now since I did that last video. I'm just going to show you guys live right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop these open. 1% on my case right now, and I have 52%, and you can see on each of the tips they have 52% on there. Phenomenal, guys. And I purposely didn't put them in the case because I wanted you guys to see 1% that I have there on the case, guys. And I'm really blown away by that, because I would just be going through the entire day and not realizing that these have been in my ears for so long. Because I have an AI program on my computer that I use, and I talk to it and it types for me. So a lot of time, because I don't have an actual microphone, I'm using the Studio Max. So for me, I use these and I connect to it, and I can just do whether it is my emails or other things on there, whether I'm writing a letter to a client or something. These has been so helpful where that is concerned. And the next thing I want to talk about, guys, and I can't say this enough, the sound quality. I'm not a sound engineer, guys, but I'm not going to lie to you. If you're going to be comparing the Pro 2 to the 3, there is no comparison, guys. When I say there is no comparison, none whatsoever, guys. It's just outstanding when it comes down to the sound quality. I know I said 3, but I actually forgot that when you talk about noise cancellation and also transparency mode, guys, oh my God. Transparency mode on the AirPods Pro 3, it's almost like when you turn them on, you're not feeling as though you're wearing headphones. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. When I had the twos in, there was like a reverberation, like a sound reverberation that I would actually get. I sound like kind of robotic a little bit. And the best example I would give is when I'm actually driving. When I put in transparency mode and I have the AirPods in my ears, it sounds so clear. And like I said, it's almost like I'm not wearing, because I literally have to check sometimes. Like I'll literally have these in my ears like so, right? I'll have it in my ears like this. No noise cancellation is on, right? And I can literally hear all the small things disappear. Once I open this now, it feels like I'm not wearing anything at all in my ears. That's how clear it is. I mean, you guys can tell me in the comment section below if this has been your experience, but this has been my experience, guys. And usually when I'm driving, you can test this for yourself, guys. When you're driving and you have your windows down, try to put in transparency mode on your AirPods 2 if you do have, or even the first generation as well, and test and see. You hear like a kind of sound. With these, nothing like that, guys. It's really, really good. And for me, when it comes on to the noise cancellation, guys, is that it literally kills almost everything. Any kind of high-pitched sound or anything like that, gone. I'm not saying that it completely kills everything, not saying that, guys, because I'll be lying. But when it comes out the high-pitched noise, if I'm in a gym and I'm working out and hear a lot of chattering in the background and maybe the music playing or whatever, when I turn on noise cancellation, guys, all of that is gone. Especially if I'm hearing when I'm playing my music in my ears, I literally pretty much hear nothing but my music. So it's really, really good. And I love the fact that I can put on transparency mode and just have a conversation with somebody. It doesn't feel like I need to take these out, because that's how it felt with the AirPods Pro 2. So guys, I just wanted to share my experience with you on this. Let me know what your experience have been like, if you have actually had these, and tell me whether or not I'm, talking BS or not, but I really do truly love these guys. And I'm happy that I had a chance over these past couple of days to really test it out in the field, because Apple can say this and say that, but when you actually go out in the field, that is when you really know whether or not they're saying a bunch of crap or not. So if you guys really did enjoy this video, guys, smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. And might be a video over here that you may be interested in. Let's see. Check you guys in the next one. Peace.